supply chain management is the most promising driver of profitability and supporter of growth initiatives that anybody can identify. It is being used now as a strategic weapon, not what it was when I grew up, which was basically a kind of a necessary cost. Now it's being used to drive business.
We are well over $180 billion company. So every day, there's $500 million of cash on the average moving around the world on behalf of Foxconn and the supply chain.
Our other panelists, kind of your reaction to Foxconn coming here and the opportunity it presents for companies throughout Wisconsin.
I think this could be the beginning of the next generation of clusters. And so if you look at Wisconsin, we export about $22 billion of product in 2017. So as a region, we've got the potential. The question is, what do we do with the seeds that are being planted?
From what we've heard from companies who've selected Wisconsin is our partnerships. Our local, our regional, our academic partnerships all have reached out and contacted me to say, we are here, we are ready. When Foxconn is ready, we're ready. We're ready to help our suppliers because they may not all be exactly ready for what Foxconn needs, but we're prepared to help them become ready over the next year or two or when it's needed.
One of the very positive and intangible aspects of the selection of Southeast Wisconsin is the very long heritage of manufacturing. And coming down, it says something about the work ethic and the culture of success. We figure out how to get things done here. This is a great place to be.
For Wisconsin to be at the top of our list, ultimately it would be the people, it would be the dynamics and the work ethics, but also the innovative idea, not just for engineering, but also for business model, for ability to really work together and collaboratively.